Ready? Comfort zone. So a bear push-up. First we're going to start by getting down on our hands and knees just like that. And I'm pretty sure they clean this room. All right. Everybody got room? Okay, awesome. Okay. So what we're going to do first of all is everybody take your hands, move them a little forward, because the first initial movement, and if you can't, let me try to move over here. Okay, so when I'm over here, a bear push-up is going to look like this. I'm going to tuck my chin in, breathe in, and when I come down, I'm going to come down and up like that. The reason why I'm doing, don't do it yet, or your kids aren't good listeners? Okay. So what? Just watch. So I say, so do I want you to do what I'm doing now, or do I want you to watch? Okay. So that's an auditory and a visual cue, which is part 2 of my behavior management, because I don't teach people what to do. I just kind of give them hints. So what you're going to do is you're going to go like this now. Everybody freeze. So you're going to go like this. You tuck your, the motion is this here, because what I want you guys to do is I want you to work all different parts of your arms and your shoulders, because when you pick up your kids, do you pick up your kids like this? No, you're picking your kid up this way, you're holding one here, you're kicking out the hip on one, you're trying to hold. So functional movement is very, very important. Okay, so now, pop quiz. What do bears like to eat? Honey. All right, listen, with the honey. Disney. Walt Disney or Walt Disney. I don't know, whatever. Winnie the Pooh is not real. Listen, unless you go to Burning Man, by day 3, everything is real. Okay, so, from my herd. All right, so what you're going to do is, now, bears like to eat fish or honey, whatever you want, okay? So we're going to pretend like we're at a river. There's a river right over here. And everybody, what you're going to do, first of all, we get to take a deep breath in. So you're going to tuck your chin in, you breathe in. You bring your arms down. Everybody look, grab the fish with your mouth. Press up and go. Awesome. Let's do that again. Everybody tuck your chin in. Breathe in. Stick your head underwater. And go. Just like that. And then if you want to even get a better workout, listen, well, why not? Why go to the gym when you can do all this stuff at school? Go like this, right? So everybody go like this, take a deep breath in. Now we're going to look for a fish for about a good 3-4 seconds. So it's going to look, everyone, yeah, I love the growling, right? I mean the moaning. Right, everyone go like this. Breathe in, come down, up, look for your fish. I don't see it. Oh, there's a big fish. Everybody grab your fish. And go, nom, 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 nom. All right, good. The one not doing anything is clapping. Or you want to do seal? Okay. So body weight, listen, there's a ton. I have a list of, in the Yoga Karate handout, there's like 15 different body weight animals. Bear walks, frog jumps, crab walks, everybody knows them. Some are more complicated than others. Some, we can do the inchworm, where you go like this, you start off like this, you walk your hands out, bring your hands up, like this. That's good, okay? That, they're called burpees when you do them at whatever CTA, whatever thing is, of the gym. Thank you. Okay. You can do the seal. I like that when I had the kids do that, where they're half of their body like that, and now they're pulling themselves forward. That works. You can call that the seal. You can call that the dog from Family Guy, the old guy's dog. Stewart. No, that's Stewart. He's a dog. No, he's the football head baby. The old man. Hey, everybody. You know what I'm talking about? He's got the dog that doesn't have back legs. Or Joe when he falls out of his wheelchair. Nobody watches Family Guy here? That's like required. You do. They're good for you. She's laughing. Okay, good.